Right. Remember again. Between which two integers does the square root of 62 lie? You must understand what is an integer. Again. Integers are whole numbers that are negative and also positive, including 0. Again. From negative infinities to positive infinity. Right, and then from there, remember they must be whole numbers. Again, both positive and negative. And then we analyze the root of 62. Again, you offer 7,874. How can this whole number in a 7? This whole number is 7. So video here. This thing. This thing come. Right. Unga this whole number is 7. Or when we consider the whole number before comma, a number that comes before comma. Ke 7 or when ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka square root sa teng e ka mfa 7 ke 49 because the root of 49 ke 7. Or alright, the root of 49 equals 7. Kiapi, skamola ito fa chance. Ukala pile or alright, the number e before comma ke 7. Then or when ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka the root ya teng e ka mfa 7 ke square root of 49. How ka eta onka this number ka mo why round off umola this thing as a whole number. 7 how round off this number to a whole number, it becomes 8 because now 7,8 how we round off it over 8. How ka ja o ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka the root ya teng e ka mfa 8 ke 80. Is it 81? Square root of 81 ke 9. 64. Ke yona ke the root of 64. You fa bokae 8. Axa force. Again, because the square root of 81 ke 9 again. The root of 64 ke sana ke 8. Or ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka square root sa teng e ka mfa 8 ke the root of 64. Remember ntwapele re yentse ona le 7,874 ka re hoe sheba nomoro ena e ka before comma e re wena ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka the root ya teng e ka mfa bokae 7 wa re ke root of 49 because the root of 49 e le kana bokae le 7. Second step, ngola nomoro ena as a whole number e round off to a whole number. Ntona we round off to a whole number you fa 8. Okay, then or ke nomoro e feng e reng ha ke nka the root ya teng e ka mfa 8 ke the root of 64. How ka eta jwale o tla mo remember we itswe between which two on got the root of 64. Aga da o etsa tje or ka mona ke nomoro nyane ka mona ke nomoro e kgolo o bona re ona le the root of 49 I get ke root of 49 ka mona ona le root of 62 so kamona on only the root of 64. The square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 64 is 8. Then come on to among here usoro the root of 64 lies between 7 and 8. Then you are done. Why? But also comment something. Number ya 7,8 inyane ho bokae ho the root of 64. Why is it inyane ke 7,8? Number ya e kgolo because ke 7,8. Come on, man, this number is bigger than 7. At the same time 80 e kgolo ho number e. Come on, man, number ya inyane ho bokae ho 8. So come on, man, ke nnete or the root of 64 lies between a number in 7 because inyane on the left hape ilaya between a number e khulu in bokae 8. Then you are done. Those are the two numbers of which the root of 64 lies between. Ka hantle that into the batamolo bila fatshe o practice. Right, ha re bone 1.2. 1.2 bare right write 0,000872 in scientific notation. And I'm going to calculate it. How to that is why it's by all means calculate. We want to write this number in scientific notation because the leading numbers are zeros. Or concentrated in numero because his 0,0 874. Oh yeah, the numero. Numero na ekalang eling 8 or 8 comma. Onka nomoro tsena tse pedi or 72. How kata or times 10? Now wa share. Hore. How kata or 8 comma? Nomoro tse setseng ka morao di kae? We say remember mo kana le 0,00872. We say 8,72 times 10. Ha kata wa bala how many numbers are left ka mora comma? Ona le nomoro tse 1 2. Ka mantso bang e tlo ba 1 2 3 4 5 6 because we say 8 comma. How kata o kenya comma mo ke nomoro tse ka etse salang 1 2 3 4 5 6. Also times 10 minus 6. Why or a minus is because the nomoro tse leadang ke di 0. Ha di nomoro tse leadang e di 0 or a negative number mona as an exponent. But if in a leading number it's a positive, it's a leading, a positive number, maybe 6 or something. But we will deal with such problems. For this one, how more this number in scientific notation? Unfortunately, I also calculated I can't answer the easiest way. Or the number or a fella 8 comma or someone who a fella 8 comma. How can you comma mo? You know what the guy is sitting camera comma. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Also times 10 minus 6 or minus 6 because the number was an it's a leader it is 0. That's why or minus 6. Magosa na also calculator. Ka won't na calculating of mana answer simple jwa. Right, ona taba hurry question 2. More question 2. The first thing I read in 2.1.1 solving question 2. And another 1.3. 1.3 baro huwe. If x equals minus 3 and y equals 2. Baro huwe na find 5x squared plus 3xy minus 2y squared. Come on, Tom, but what about rainbow? Barfella more on x and y substituted the value it's about a zone. Right, can I find 50? Kibona x kinyabkai minus 3. Mari each one is squared because k x squared. Kinyadi bracket because kito square that number. Plus 3. Kibona x kinya minus 3. Kibona y kinya 2. Minus 2 kibona y kikinya 2 mari kai square. Sibela ba y bon. Akile mona ya multiply. Kibana le 5 multiply negative 3 squared ki positive 9. Positive times negative ki negative. 3 times 3 ki 9. 9 times 2 ki 80. Minus 2 times 2 squared ki. Again. Kibata 5 times 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 minus 18, 2 times 4, 8. Again, Kibanale 45 minus 18 minus 8, minus 26. Again, Kibanale 45 minus 26. Right, about 15, about 3. 15 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 90. And then you are done. If you put the final, it's in the last year. So there's a question paper 2023, 22, 21, 2020. What are very sharp for paper 1 year as a preparation. Right, now that we repeated question 1, ke kopa fa chance ya o copy before ya question 2 wa fela le wetsa pause mo kopa fela lori ke etse pause. All right, ha re tswelle pele re question 2. Now more question 2 mara ho wena simplify. Mara ho wena simplify 2.1.1 on a 5 7x minus 5y that is squared. 2.1.2 2a plus 3 4a squared minus 6a plus 9 2.1.3 3 plus 4i minus 2 minus 5i. Where I is a complex number. How do we solve this? Now, I will show the first one. 5 into 7x minus 5y, that is the square. The first thing we use that square so we repeat into bracketing 2 times. So it's very important. So on the 5, 7x minus 5y, 7x minus 5y. Please, you repeat 2 times without changing any sign in between. And then from there, you remove first the brackets by multiplication. And then how can you simplify? Then you multiply anka 5. So you go to that 5. Get 7 times 7, for 49. X times x, for x squared. This is very important. Number B, 7 by 7, 49. X by x, x squared. Remember, this is positive, this is negative. Positive times negative is negative. 7 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Or 135. Scalable of the x multiplied by y ki xy. Very, very important. Okay, 7 and multiply the monalamo. Or this one multiplied by this one. Now remember, in a positive. Negative times positive ki negative. 5 times 7 is 35. Y times x is xy. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 5 is 25. Y times y is y squared. The procedural method that is correct is always necessary. And then when we are here, now how na any other x squared? So haina matter now minus 35 minus 35, I can add those numbers because you just say 35 plus 35. 5 plus 5 ki 10 is 0 carry 1. 3 plus 3 ki 66 plus 1 ki 7. Yofa minus 70xy. Please don't forget that. Minus 35 minus 35 minus 70xy. xy. Also plus 25y squared. Now highly more because you cannot simplify what is inside of the brackets any further. Kona ga multiply anka 5 ya ni ka ntle ntongolo nngwe ka hare. So se re tla mo re 5 times 49. 49 is a 5. 49 9 plus 9 ki 18. 4 plus 4 ki 80 plus 1 ki 9. So kama ntswa mang ha di le 4 ito ba 98 plus 98. 8 plus 8 ki 16. 9 plus 9 ki 18. 18 plus 1 ki 19. Sere era fela ntuna na ka 49. Sere fela 6 plus 9 ki 15. 5 carry 1. 9 plus 4 ki 13. 13 plus 1 ki 14. 4 carry 1. 1 plus 0 ki 1 plus 1 ki 2. The answer ki 245. Right, so 5 times 49x squared ke 245x squared. I get serabana le 70 times 5. Leon seraba fela 70 by 70. 0 plus 0 ke 0, 7 plus 7 ke 14. So ka mantswe a mang e tlo ba di 70 tse 4 e tlo ba a nke tse 4 re bona. E tlo ba 0, e tlo ba 80, e tlo ba 280. Then seraba fela 280 plus 70. Erfa 0, erfa 15, 5 carry 1, erfa 350. Serabana minus 350 xy. Then serabana 25 it's a 5. 25, 50, 100, 125. Serabana positive 125y squared as our final answer. Because 25, 50, 100, 125. Then that becomes your final answer. How did we solve this? The first thing, referring to the bracket ya square root, repeat abedi. How better we repeat abedi? 12 ya nekantle. Simplify the brackets. 7 times 7 49x squared. 7 times negative 7x times negative 5y negative 35xy negative 5y times 7y negative 35xy negative 5y multiplied by negative 5y positive 25y squared. Simplify into bracketing kiani. How can we simplify 5 I multiply into bracketing? You get that answer. Sharp. Alright, how not that? And then in area 2.1.2. Area 2.1.2. Area 2.1.2. Renew 2a plus 3 into 4a squared minus 6a plus 9. Remember, put it simplify. And then when we remove the brackets by multiplication. Rere 2 times 4 is 8. A multiplied by a squared. This exponent 1. When we multiply numbers of the same basis, we add the exponents. About 1 plus 2 is 3. Then Rere 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Rere a times a is a squared. Rere 2 times 9 is 18 what? A. Because 2a times 9 is 18a. 3 times 4a squared infa positive 12a squared. 3 times negative 6 infa negative 18a. 3 times positive 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 infa 70, 27. Infa positive 27. Can I simplify this? Yes, we only like terms. Can I 8a3? Can I minus 12a squared plus 12a squared? They are cancelling. Again, because we negative and we positive. Kibanale minus 18a. Kibanale plus 27. Now, I'm tricky see them icon high. A ball. But leave it a pause. Ki positive 18a, ki minus 18a, they are canceller. Ki salaga positive 27. Come on, someone, ki difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. Mara ki trinomial. Ina. Ki trinomial of the form a3 plus b3. But in this case, 2a3 plus 3 to exponent 3. So come on, so I'm going to 2a plus 3 mona to power 3. Now something of this nature. Only 2a plus 3, they are all to the exponent of 3. But here that becomes your answer for 2.1.2. Right. So factorization where the highest power is a 3. But that is fine. Now how does 2.1.3? How does 2.1.3? And see how far we can go. 2.1.3. By it's a when on 3 plus 4 I again the complex number school. The question paper ya finally. Question paper I don't know how meaning. But the question paper ya finally and I grade 10. Come on, someone the complex number. Now how do we solve a complex number? The same way we're removing the brackets by multiplication. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. 3 times negative 5i is negative 15i. Because 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. 4i times negative 2, negative 8i. Positive 4i multiplied by negative 5i. Positive 4 times negative 5, it over negative 20. I times I, it over I squared. Simplify into only negative 6. Minus 15 minus 8. Minus 15. Minus 8. I go over minus 23. Minus 23i minus 20i squared. Okay? Because of 15 you have add 5 about 20 to sell 3 by 23. So how do you move? There's one thing what I'm dealing with a complex number. What I'm looking at is all right. How nearly the square root of I? How do in fact the square root of negative 1? How about the root of negative 1 beta I? Where you see the root of negative 1 we beta I. Can I read this chapter separately? But I'll remove the square root. I square both sides. Square root will 2 dia cancel. Come on, so negative 1 elegantly I squared. Come on, so I squared. Negative 1. This is very, very important. So come on, man monaling negative 6 minus 23i minus 20i squared. Hello, replace I squared can negative 1. Obanally minus 6 minus 23i minus 20 into negative 1. Again, because more than I squared negative 1. Obanally minus 6 minus 23i negative times negative over positive 20. Again, and then from here, get it like terms it's a. Also fella, kibukai minus 6 plus 20. Kibukai 20 against 6. Asalaga 14. Obanally 14 minus 23i as your final answer. This one get complex number. The issue of complex numbers. Unfortunately, because utamilo utwenouchinanaka 12:30. And I keep that. So nakoya ere shapile, ototame go tswelle pele hape o sane. Ke kopa fa chance ya go copy. Kopa fela o fa chance ya go copy and then re tseba hore se re kopa